Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you were driving a Mercedes-Benz or a BMW and you've suddenly got a Christmas tree of lights on your dashboard, specifically the ESP or ABS lights, do you panic just yet? Today, we're diving deep into a common culprit that triggers these warnings. The infamous fault code C1511. So, what exactly is C1511? This code points directly to a problem with your steering angle sensor. This little sensor is a crucial part of your car's electronic stability program, or ESP, an anti-lock braking system, or ABS. It constantly tells the car's computer how much and in which direction you're returning the steering wheel. This information is vital for the safety systems to work correctly, especially in tricky driving situations. When the steering angle sensor loses its calibration or starts to fail, the car's brain gets confused. It no longer knows the exact position of your front wheels. As a safety precaution, it will disable the ESP and ABS systems and turn on those warning lights on your dash to let you know something is wrong. You might also see messages like ESP inoperative or ABS malfunction. Now, what causes this to happen? It can be a number of things. Sometimes, it's as simple as the battery being disconnected for a while, which can cause the sensor to lose its memory. Other times, it could be related to wheel alignment work. If a mechanic adjusts your alignment, but doesn't reset the steering angle sensor to the new strat head position, the sensor will think you're constantly turning, even when you're driving straight. This mismatch will definitely trigger the C1511 code. Of course, like any electronic component, the sensor itself can also just fail over time due to wear and tear. So, how do we fix it? The good news is, in Manicasesia, you won't need to replace any expensive parts. The most common fix is a simple recalibration. This is where a good quality diagnostic scanner comes into play. You can't just turn the wheel lock to lock and hope for the best. You need the right tool to communicate with the car's computer. Let's walk through the general process. First, you'll plug your scanner into the car's OBD to port, which is usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to the ABS, or ESP control module. From there, you'll look for an option called Special Functions, Adaptations, or Basic Settings. Inside that menu, you should find an option specifically for the steering angle sensor calibration or reset. The exact wording will vary depending on your scanner and your car's model. The procedure will typically instruct you to make sure the steering wheel is perfectly centered and the wheels are pointing straight ahead. This is absolutely critical for an accurate calibration. Once you confirm the wheels are straight, you'll initiate the calibration process on the scanner. The tool will then write the new 0 point or center position to the car's control module. It might ask you to turn the wheel to the far left, then the far right, and back to center to confirm the sensor's full range of motion. Just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. After the calibration is complete, the scanner should give you a success message. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Go ahead and clear the C1511 fault code from the system. Then, turn the ignition off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If the calibration was successful, those pesky ESP and ABS lights should be gone for good. Take the car for a short test drive to make sure they don't come back. Now, what if the lights come back on immediately after calibration? This could mean a few things. It's possible the sensor itself is faulty and needs to be replaced. It could also indicate a wiring issue between the sensor and the control module, or even a problem with the clock spring, which the sensor is often integrated with. In that case, you'll need to do some more advanced diagnostics, but more often than not, a simple recalibration is all it takes to solve the C1511 code. So, next time you see those lights pop up, remember C1511. It sounds intimidating, but with the right scanner, it's often a straightforward fix you can perform yourself, saving you a trip to the dealership and a hefty bill. I hope this guide was helpful. If you've tackled this issue before, share your experience in the comments below. What car was it? And what was your fix? Your story could help someone else out. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.